Legal gangsters, did you all know that in the state of Texas that you can lose your gun rights over a Class C misdemeanor? The lowest charge that you can receive in the state of Texas, a Class C misdemeanor. These are like traffic violations, um, simple assaults, things of that nature. I'm talking about Class C misdemeanor, the lowest charge or lowest penalty that Texas can give. You can lose your gun rights and other rights, and also have offenses enhanced in the future. Let's talk about it, you all. This right here, this is a court copy of a citation. City of Houston Municipal Court. The charge is headbutting. All right. This right here is the jail booking blotter. And the individual booked in on Class C assault by contact. This is the arraignment judgment, records and minutes. And let's read this. On this day, this case was called for arraignment, and the defendant appeared and pleaded no contest to the accusation in the citation and waived the trial by jury. And the court, having heard the evidence, is of the opinion that the defendant is guilty as charged. It is therefore ordered, adjudged, and decreed that the state of Texas, for the use and benefit of the city of Houston, Texas, do have and recover of the defendant the fine of $258. Okay, that's the fine. And the cost of $81 and the fee of $5 and the DPS fee of $0 and the collection fee of $0, for which execution will issue, and in default of payment, that the defendant be committed to jail until said fine is paid at the rate of $150 for each 24-hour period served. So you see, $150 for each 24 hours. So every day you serve $150 in the city jail, Houston City Jail. The total came out to $344. Okay, and he got it in time served, but it came out to $344. Now, let me show you why this individual lost their gun rights and other rights because of a Class C misdemeanor. What happened? The judge entered an affirmative finding of family violence and admonishments. On this day, the defendant appeared in the above numbered and entitled cause. The judge, having heard evidence, finds that the offense involved, that part right there, family violence, as defined by Section 71.004 of the Texas Family Code. The court therefore makes an affirmative finding of family violence per the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 42.013, that further the defendant pled no contest guilty and found guilty by judge. Now let's go right here. The defendant has been advised of the following. See, this is the small details in the things that we do. Okay, these are the small details. This is when you plead no contest, or you plead guilty, or you think a Class C misdemeanor is no problem. That little 340, what is it? $344. That little $344. When this was entered, this affirmative finding of family violence, it turned into a life sentence. So now, right here, defendant has been advised, and these are the details. The defendant has been advised that the following rights can potentially be affected or revoked by this affirmation finding of family violence pursuant to Article 42.013 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure and Section 71.004 of the Texas Family Code. Now, this is what has been lost because of this affirmative finding. possession, ownership of firearms or firearm permits, custody, visitation rights regarding children, basis upon which alimony can be ordered in divorce, employment in certain jobs, including but not limited to the military service and law enforcement, basis upon which a subsequent offense of assault, bodily injury against a household family member can be enhanced to a third-degree felony. Immigration status if defendant is not a citizen of the United States. Firearms, this affirmative finding and conviction of family violence where you were determined to be a spouse, intimate partner, parent, or guardian of the victim, or were involved in another similar relationship with the victim, may be unlawful for you to possess or purchase a firearm, including a handgun. You hear that, you all? Including a handgun or long gun or ammunition pursuant to federal law under 18 U.S.C. United States Code Section 922G9 or Section 46.04B of the Texas Penal Code. So that's it in a nutshell, you all. That's in a nutshell how this Class C misdemeanor, no contest, because he pled no contest to it. The judge found him guilty for headbutting the woman. Keep your hands to yourself. Keep your body parts to yourself. If you're done with a person, be done and move on. Because this simple Class C has forever changed his life. That's all I have, Legal Gangsters, for today. This is Sean Lacey, a.k.a. Mr. Officer, signing out. Love y'all. Be good, be safe. Take care of each other. Bye.